Every day, thousands of videos are uploaded to YouTube. Most die within hours. No views, no comments, just silence. You see videos with millions of views and think, why not me? I worked hard. I edited for hours. Where's my success? So you search online, and everyone says the same thing: the algorithm is broken. The algorithm hates small creators. But YouTube isn't a monster. It's a librarian. And librarians only recommend books people actually read. Here's what happens in real life. Someone scrolls. They see your thumbnail for 0.2 seconds. That's it. That's your chance. Reason 1, you're invisible. Your topic: what I did today versus I spent 24 hours in a haunted forest. Which would you click? Reason 2, you're trying to please everyone. Gamers, cooks, investors, pet lovers. When you speak to everyone, you reach no one. Reason 3, your packaging. Your title and thumbnail are the cover of your book. If the cover sucks, nobody reads the story. Here's the fix. Ask yourself before uploading, would I click this if a stranger made it? Be brutally honest. If the answer is no, redo it. YouTube is a marathon with no finish line. Every video is a brick. Some bricks are weak, some are strong. Build your wall brick by brick.